Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you guys how to decorate your staircase and banister using a very minimum amount of materials and in a very inexpensive way. Everything in this video is from Walmart except for this ribbon right here. That's from Michaels. The first thing you need for this beautiful banister decoration is a garland. This one is a pre-lit garland. It comes with lights already attached. It's electricity powered. You can get battery powered as well. There's a little bit more expensive. This one was only $14.98 for 9 feet, and I got about 3 of them to cover my entire banister. What you want to do here is spread out the branches as much as you can so you can get nice full coverage from them, cover your entire banister, and then use some zip ties to secure them. I don't use garland hooks or floral wire because it's expensive, they're too fragile, they break easily, I don't know how to work them, so I just go for these zip ties. I'm just going to carefully take some time to spread all the branches out and zip tie the garland to my banister. And don't forget to snip the extra ends of the zip ties. And here comes the star of the show, this beautiful light gold champagne mesh that I picked up at Walmart. It was about $8 for the entire 9-meter roll, and it was more than enough for my banister. I was a little bit scared it wouldn't be enough, but it was. So very simple. You don't need floral wire, you don't need pipe cleaners, you don't need anything fancy. All you need is your garland branches. What you're going to do is you are going to start with 8-inch sections. You're going to secure the end of the 8-inch section, and then you are going to pull the mesh, leave a lot of extra space so it's not tightly against the garland, and then you are going to secure the other end, and it's just going to create these poofs for you naturally because it's mesh and it holds shape very well. So just continue to repeat this step throughout the entire banister with your garland, using the garland branches to twist and secure the mesh. And then here I've just looped some ribbon together to make a bow. I've made a small incision in the middle of the loops just so that I can put my zip tie around it and the bow will move around how I want it to without fuss. I had to iron my ribbon because it's older. It's from Michaels. I had it for a couple years, but if your ribbon's newer, you probably won't have to. And then just go ahead and fan out your loops to create the bow you desire. And then once you're done that step, you want to cut up a longer piece of ribbon that's going to tie around the center and be the ends that drape the bow, if that makes sense. I'm ironing mine out because, again, this ribbon was old, and just securing it to the center of the bow. I found that my bow was far too flimsy, so I just used safety pins to cut the bow loops kind of in half, fold them in and make it a little bit more sturdy, and I used another zip tie to secure that to the banister. And then I'm just using some picks that I picked up at Walmart several years ago to bedazzle the garland up a bit. I'm just scattering these throughout the garland in no particular pattern, just wherever I feel they look best, and I'm using a mix of gold, silver, light gold, champagne picks in this ensemble. And that's it, guys, a very simple DIY on how to decorate your staircase for the holiday season. You can find all of these items at Walmart or any craft store, even online on Amazon. So go ahead and try it. Don't forget to tag me on Instagram. If you do, I would love to see your creations. Thanks, guys.